Hello and welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Anjali. In today's video, we are going to see how to load the trial balance through Excel in data management in PBCS application. So before proceeding further, we need to first understand few things. So an Excel trial balance file is an Excel spreadsheet that through the import screen is formatted to one more periods, categories and locations. Text trial balance file and Excel trial balance files differ in one way. Text files can use only standard import format, but Excel data files do not use any standard import format. Text trial balance files and Excel trial balance files are similar in two ways. They are both loaded to the current POV, category and period, and on the import format, they use the same append and replace options. When you use an Excel trial balance template, the template can contain one or more periods. When doing a multiple period load, you need to create a dummy import format that indicates multiple periods. If just a single data value is in the Excel file, then you don't need an import format. So let me show you my data file. Alright, so this is my data file in which I have used following accounts, this entity 110, and these are the amounts. So basically in this trial balance, what is important is in amount column, you can see here for these two accounts 11110 and 1150, I have used along with the amount dr, and with these two accounts I have used CR, debit and credits. So basically the application should understand the positive sign and the negative sign. So basically we use trial balance for seeing our ledger accounts. So in our application, let's see how to load the trial balance using data management. So we go to integration and click on data management. Under setup, we register the source system. You can refer my previous videos for the data management setup, the initial process. So I have registered my source system. This is file. In target application, TBL underscore vision is my target application. I have already registered it. Next, we move to import format. Under import format, this is my import format, TBL underscore IMF. In this is the name of my import format. Source is file type is delimited numeric data, my target, and this is the file delimiter comma. After saving this information, we map all the dimensions. Account is on field number 1, amount is in column number 3 in our data file. As you can see here, amount is in column number 3, but the twist in this case is that the amount is along with the suffix dr and cr. So how the application is going to understand that this is the positive amount and this is the negative amount? So for that, in amount, we click on add expression. Under expression type, we click on sign, and in expression value, we write as debit, comma, credit. So by using this, the application will read the positive amounts and the negative amounts of the trial balance. And rest everything is same. I have mapped entity as to HSP view base data, product as no product, and version as working. So after doing this, we go to location, we create location. This is my location TBL underscore LOC. This is the import format and the target. After doing this, we save this location and straight away move to workflow tab. And in data load mapping, we give the mapping of all the accounts. But before proceeding further, let's choose the correct location. This is not our location. TBL LOC is the correct location. Period is Jan 21 and category is actual. All right. So for all the dimension, I have used the like mapping. We can check that we have done the mapping for all. This is the entity, HSP view, This is the product and version. So we have done the mapping. Now we move to data load rule. In this, we create the new data load rule by clicking on add. I have already created one over here. So this is the name TBL underscore LOC, categories actual, import format. The target plan type is plan 1, and in file, I have selected my file from here. So you can upload your file and then save this. So after saving this, we will execute the data load rule. We'll click on import, click on export to target. Since I have loaded this file for only one period, so this is my only one period, start period and end period is same, and import mode is replace, and we'll choose the export mode as replace data. All right, so I've already done that process and I've executed it. And as you can see here, the green check over here, which means that our data file is loaded successfully. You can go and check in the workbench that all the 3 golden fishes are here, and in amount column, as you can see here, the positive amounts, which were debit amounts, are here, and the credit, the minus sign, is here. So I have made the Excel view of it. Let me show you. All right, so this is the smart view which I have already prepared, and this is how you can load the trial balance figures in data management. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.